everyone, welcome to VJ Chemistry, and today we are going to discuss about the IR spectroscopy assignment with answer key with a detailed explanation. This answer key for 10th question. Please take a screenshot for answer key. Now I'm going to discuss the one by one with a detailed explanation. Okay. Now see the first question. The correct order of the cardinal searching frequency for the following compound. The four compounds given, we are going to what? Find out which is highest value, which is least value. Okay. The first molecule is acid chloride. Please note. This is acid chloride. Acid chloride. This C ester, the second molecule ester, COR, and CONS2 is amide, and CHO is aldehyde. Okay, aldehyde. Now you know very well the searching frequency of CO always which have highest value. Acid chloride. Please note, acid chloride have highest value. Then ester and aldehyde, and find which is least value. Amide is least value. Okay, what is the experimental value for acid chloride? Is around 1800 centimeter inverse. For ester is value around 17352 and 1745, and aldehyde is 17002 and 1725. For amide, the value around 16302 to 1680. Okay, now see option. Okay, this three is that option will be amide. Okay, amide is very least one. Now see the four option. Where is amide is least one? Only option D is correct answer. Okay, this acid chloride, which acid chloride is highest, then ester, then aldehyde, then amide. Okay, this is first question answer. Option D is answer. Now go for second question. They are asking what the correct order of the IR searching frequency for the carbon-carbon triple bond and carbon-carbon double bond and carbon-carbon single bond. The easiest question we know very well. The bond strength BS. The bond strength increases. The searching frequency of carbon-carbon also increases, right? Therefore, which have more bond strength? The bond strength order, the carbon-carbon triple bond, then carbon-carbon double bond, then carbon-carbon single bond. The searching frequency of carbon-carbon, which are highest value, says triple bond, then followed by double bond, and followed by single. The option B is correct. Okay, this is triple bond and double bond. This is single bond. Okay, easiest options for second question. Option B is correct. And go for third question. The correct statement about the carbon searching frequency in the higher of the cyclopentanone. Okay, cyclopentanone 5-member ring and cyclohexanone 6-member ring. Okay, we know very well the 6-member value, right? The cyclohexanone. Please note the value around what? The value is around 1715 centimeter inverse. Okay, now what about cyclopentanone 5-member ring? Okay, the value increase how much? The value increased by plus 30, right? The answer is 1745 centimeter inverse. Okay, note important points, please note. Okay, the ring size increases. The CO searching frequency is decreases. CO searching frequency. Therefore, inside cyclopent, both are what is first option? Both of same frequency. Not both. Okay, not both are same frequency. Now option C, the option B, cyclopentanone value is 1745 and hexanone 1715. Option B is correct. But that question, option B is correct. Okay, and fourth question, same. Okay, this is cyclic lactone ester. Now same, the ring size increases. Searching frequency of CO is decreased, right? Therefore, this is a 5-member ring, this 6-member ring, this 4-member ring. 4-member ring na more searching frequency. 1840. 5-member ring on the 1770 and 6-member ring on the 1740. Upper R on the option owner, R on the 1. In R owner, the R 3, the R 2, the only option C is or P on the third one. Value is 1770. Q on the value on the 1740 and R answer on the 1840. Option for fourth question, option C is correct. Okay, very simple. This is a keynote. Okay, ring size increases and CO searching frequency decreases. Okay, even cyclic lactone and cyclic ester as well as what? The ketone molecule, cyclic ketone. Okay, and fifth question is very important. Please note. Okay, searching frequency question. Okay, arrange the following compound in the order of increasing intensity of yes, they're asking intensity. Okay, the intensity of absorption by the double bond molecule. Assume the same concentration same and same condition. Now you know very well, right? The dipole moment increases. Dipole moment increases. Intensity of spectra increases. Which is a more dipole moment, which have more intensity. What is dipole moment? Nothing but bond polarization. The bond polarization increases and dipole moment increases. Therefore, CO carbon more compared to carbon double bond and compared to carbon double bond O, which is more dipole moment. This is a more which is more the carbon double bond is more compared to what carbon double bond, because electronegativity of carbon oxygen is less higher compared to carbon atom, right? The electron density or towards the oxygen atom, the electron bond get migrated, right, towards the oxygen. They get more bond polarized compared to the carbon double bond. The compared to both molecule, which is highest value. C, first one is highest value, which is first one. The option A கிடையாது, option D கிடையாது, one option B இல்ல option C தான். Take this compound, the carbon double bond carbon, here also CH3, here also CH3, both are CH3. The symmetrical molecule, therefore dipole moment 0. Whenever dipole moment 0 ansna, IR inactive no less intense, therefore second is less intense. அப்ப இங்க third இது கிடையாது, answer what? Option B is correct. This is you correct CH3, okay? This means to not equal to 0, okay? Whenever means equal to 0, it means what? IR inactive. அப்ப IR inactive இருந்துச்சுனா கண்டிப்பா என்ன ஆகுது? Intensity ரொம்ப lesser. Intensity form ஆகாது. No peak. For this no peak. Understand? Very important. அப்ப எப்போ क्वेश्चन इंटेंसिटी கேட்டானா பண்ணனும், check the dipole moment. What is dipole? bond polarity check பண்ணனும். bond polarization ரொம்ப அதிகமா இருந்துச்சுனா more intense color, less answer less intense color. Okay? Very important question. And sixth question, to check the secondary alcohol has been completely oxidized to ketone. This secondary alcohol, the completely is oxidized to ketone. Okay. Now, what is the following option given? The check the IR spectra absorption 3500 centimeter inverse and 1765. Listen, please note the COOH setting frequency is around what? The 3500. Okay. Whenever this value is indicate what? The OH is present. Suppose this value absence and the OH is absent. Now what is the answer? The check that the IR spectra has no absorption what? Around 35. That means what? The alcohol is oxidized to ketone. புரியுதா? அப்ப ஆல்கஹால் வேல்யூ இருந்ததுன்னா கண்டிப்பா வேல்யூ வந்து 3500, ஐ மீன் 3500 சென்டிமீட்டர்ஸ்ல இருக்கும். அப்ப ஆல்கஹால்னா அப்ப அந்த இடத்துல அப்சார்ப்ஷன் கிடைக்கல மீனிங். அப்ப ஆல்கஹால் என்ன மாறிச்சு? கீட்டோனா மாறிச்சு. இஸ் கன்ஃபர்மேஷன் அபௌட் கன்ஃபர்மேஷன் வாட்? The alcohol convert to ketone. Okay, it's very important question, please know. This is also very important. Okay, and go for next question. And seventh question. Okay, the IR spectrum, the carbon absorption bond for the following compound. Listen, normal 5-member ring, the value is around what? This value is around 1770 centimeter inverse. Okay. Now this ring, okay, attached with some alkyl group. Okay. If ring, if cyclic, okay, lactone, bracket less 5-member ring. Okay, any member 5-member ring. Okay, 5-member ring. The alkyl group attached. Such frequency of CO is increases. CO, that what is answer? Option is what? This is 17 எங்க மேல 16 கிடையாது. இது what is answer? Answer is option A is answer. Okay, 1810 centimeter inverse. Okay, whenever the alkyl group attached with the cyclic lactone, the searching frequency of CO always increases. Okay, this is also very important, please note. And eighth question. Okay, this already discussed, right? The order of the cardinal searching frequency in the IR spectra, the ketone, amide, anhydride, which is least value amide. Now see which only option which containing amide least? Option D, right? Acidic anhydride and ketone amide, option D is correct. Very simple question. Ninth question, they asking this is very important. It's a multi-select, please note. Jam question, multi-select. What is multi-select? For this question, what? More than the 1 or 2 option will be the answer. Okay. Among the compound the given below, which exhibit and absorption around what? The 330 centimeters. Please note. Okay. The IR spectra value is around the 330 centimeter inverse for which one? The for containing the carbon hydrogen containing triple bond. Okay, SPCH bond. The value around the 333 centimeter inverse. Now we are going to find out what? Which of the molecule containing the triple bond CS searching frequency? 1-butene. What is 1-butene? Listen, always please note. Terminal alkyne shown what? Shown the 3300 centimeter inverse value, which is terminal alkyne. Option A and option C. 1-butene. 1, 2, 3. This 1-butene, right? 1-butene. This CH bond. This value around what? The 3300 centimeter inverse. This 1-pentene. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the 1-pentene. This H bond. CH bond. So around value around what? This value around 3300 centimeters. Okay. Whenever the carbon dual bond CH bond, this value around what? The 330 centimeter, 3300 centimeters. Okay. Therefore, option A and C, both option A, C, correct answer. Okay. And next 10th question, very easiest question. We discussed already. For the given compound, the most approximate one IR peak value what? This 5-member ring. Okay. 6-member ring on the 1715. What is 5-member ring? Plus add plus 30. What is answer? Option A is correct answer. Okay. I hope you understand all the 10 questions, and thank you so much for watching. In upcoming video, I try to upload all the lesson for the assignment. Okay. Tada, bye bye. See you in the studio as soon as possible.